Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 35 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. And once the watch turns off, you can release the button, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you can press and hold the light button again to turn on the watch. And once you see the Garmin logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch puts into a system. If you see this on the screen and it's not progressing, you can press the down button and then select yes to skip the sync with the GPS, and you'll be in the system. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.